Our aim is to prevent harm and minimise the impact that drug use has on individuals and families and communities.
And we think it's really important that our legal system should be designed to help people get past problems in their lives and not trap them or restrict their progress and not add to the problems that they're already experiencing. I think the justice system can be designed to address the problems that lead to the crime. We know that people can and do recover from problematic drug use, so our laws should help us get to that point and not make it harder for them. And the quicker people can be supported to recover and get the help they need, the less harm will be done, and ultimately the less people will be involved in the criminal justice system. This always results in better outcomes for communities, less people in prison, and actually frees up the capacity for the police and other justice partners as well.
I think it's fair to say that this is an incredibly complex area. And the law is not, in its own right, the answer, the only part of the answer. But it is really important that it forms part of a general approach. And so what we need is to firstly accept that a change of law does not mean to say we're going soft on drug dealing. It doesn't mean to say it's open season on things that are effectively criminal behaviours. And we would want, with any replacement kind of legislation, to ensure that we've got a strong and robust an approach to those that would peddle harms that the individuals are doing just now for personal profit.
So, for example, we know that benzodiazepine is causing a lot of harm in Scotland. It was present in lots of drug-related deaths, different benzodiazepines, and we find that difficult as a challenge for us with treatment pathways. However, that is a lower classification than things like LSD. You know, that they're maybe not causing as much harm and not as present as much in drug-related deaths.
But it is important that the law is intelligent and discerning in its outcomes. And the only way to do that is to make sure that it is carefully constructed and enables a kind of harm minimisation or a person-centred approach. Law in its essence is there to protect society, it's to protect people within the country. And it seems to me that the evidence from the 71 Act is increasingly demonstrating that those protections are not as effective as we might have originally hoped.